Hello YouTube, Zamorca here. I'm going to tell you about the continuum of cool. Now, a smart man told me about this and I'm going to try my best to convey it to you. Right here, you've noticed that I have a scale on 1 to 10, and below it is a bunch of zeros. I'm going to explain this to you. Now imagine a popular person. That person is a number 10. Now imagine a not so popular person. That person's a number 1. And you have these people in between who are either not as popular or not that as unpopular. Now, think of a popular person as you may. They pick on the number 9s to make themselves feel good. And the 9s pick on the number 8 to put themselves forward just as the 10s do. Now they pick on each other, blah blah blah, just to push them up further, to make themselves seem big. Now you have them picking on each other till you get to number 1. Now the number 1s, they're not very high in the popular group, as you may have noticed from the scale. The number 1s, they can either do one of two things. They can either, 1, suck it up, take the blame, take the pain, what people are doing, or 2, let it out in some fashion, such as when some people let their anger out, or when they've been bullied that day, they return to violence to younger siblings or to other people. Or 2, they can also go into a depression side, which is drugs, alcohol, some kind of sexual activity, and or sometimes suicide. It's kind of sad on how people treat each other till you finally get to someone who finally wants to end it. Now on the bottom here, you may notice that I put a whole bunch of zeros. These zeros are people. Not saying that they're below the scale. I'm just saying that the scale does not affect them. How they don't affect them? Well, imagine the 0 as a bubble. Now, words, if you try yelling at a bubble, it's not going to pop, really. It takes a lot to pop a bubble, like a big needle. More like a balloon or something. Anyway, think about it. Words don't hurt these guys. It's actually action that does. So just give this a lot of thought. Imagine where you are on the scale. Imagine what you can do to do better. I'm showing you this video because I've seen so many things happen that I just thought it'd be smart to share it. So comment, email me at zamorca@gmail.com, and this is my video.